Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a little mini skincare routine because my face was very much dry because I go swimming a lot. I'm going to be using the Cerave foaming facial cleanser. And yes, I'm using my hands, y'all. I wash my hands, so don't worry. My hands are very much clean, okay? But I'm just like getting all the dead skin because I was not wearing makeup this day. I'm just getting all the dead skin off of my face so I could get into the skincare, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this Plump Hyaluronic Serum from Glow Recipe. I want to say I got this in a BoxyCharm box, and y'all, I really love BoxyCharm because like you get so much skincare and makeup in the box. I might resubscribe because that was a very cute box, but I thought this had a pump. But I think you just do what I'm doing, child, because I don't know how to. It might have a pump. I don't know how to work it, child. But tomorrow when I was rubbing it together, it started lathering. Made me think I ain't take all the soap off my face, but I did. So I don't know what was going on right there, child. Okay, so now we're gonna be taking this watermelon glow something dewdrops, child. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but we finna be doing the same thing because this too ain't have no pump. So I think I'm supposed to be doing it, but child, tell me why this smell good. It literally smell like watermelons, child. So I'm gonna just do the same thing, and I want to say this is like hydrating. Like I don't know, child, but both of them was different because they had different names on them, and I've been doing this for a while, so I don't know if it did something or not, but my face gonna be glowing at the end, child. So they did get the glow right with Glow Recipe. Okay, you guys, so this next product that I'm going to be using is an advanced eye cream from Neogen, which is a Korean skincare dermatology company. Yes, and I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes because this is good for puffiness. It tightens your skin and makes your skin smooth and glowy. And yes, my eyes are puffy, as you can see, so I'm going to be rubbing this in, just putting a little line. And yes, y'all, this stuff really works. Like, it's so moisturizing. And child, why I can't talk, but I'm gonna just massage this in. I'm gonna try to do like a massage like underneath my eyes. And yes, if you're interested in this product, I will be leaving the link in the description because I got this off of yestyle.com. Yes, Yestyle. And I love Yestyle because they have a lot of Korean skincare stuff, and I totally recommend that website. So I will be leaving the link in the description. Okay, you guys, we're going to be ending off this skincare routine with an apple plus balm glow lip mask from Seraphine. Yes, I want to say I got this in my BoxyCharm box too, but y'all, this stuff smells so good, and I just put this on my lips to finish off my skincare routine. And you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.
It's on you.